Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can upload full picture on Instagram feed. So basically, this was a very big problem for all of us to make sure that the picture we are going to upload on Instagram feed it should be full in size.
Yeah, Aram.
And in this video, I'm gonna show you how we can put the whole picture, the full picture on Instagram. So first you have to open your Instagram app. Here we will go into the plus icon which is in the bottom here. So now we will choose a picture. So you can see that this picture is now going to be uploaded in full size. It's going to be zooming there. Whenever I use this option which is showing there, it's still nothing happening. So this is the problem we all guys are facing on Instagram. How we can solve this problem is I will show you right now. We will go back and then we will go into your app store or play store. Here we will search here any editing app, like I will use PixArt. This is already in my phone, so I will simply, they will show this type of interface. So I will click on the plus icon. So I will click on this option which is right here. I will choose the picture which I want to resize according to Instagram ratio. You can see that Instagram has right now the new ratio is 3:2. So I will put my picture into this ratio and then I will save it from here and then go back into your Instagram. And here you can see that the picture is now zooming now because I have resized the ratio of picture, and in this way you can upload it in the whole form in, or you can say that we can upload the whole picture, full picture on Instagram. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.